Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find matches on Bumble. In order to do that, you need to first head over and then register on Bumble right here. So it will ask you what brings you to Bumble, if you're looking for a business, for a BFF, or for a date. So let's choose in here date, and then once you have done that, you can also put in here if you're open to dating people, of men or women or anything. So for example, for me, you can actually just enter in here what you're hoping to find, and then just select it if you want, and then put in here your height. And then once you have done that, you can click on next, and you can also add in here 5 things you're really into. So you can put in here some things that actually befits you. From there, click on this next right here, and then put in here your qualities that you're looking for a person. For example, put in here this ones, then click on next right here, and then put in here your lifestyle choices. So just head over and answer anything right here that you want, and then put in here a face and name in here as well. You can choose picture from Instagram, Facebook, or from your library itself. Now from here, just put in here photos of you right here, and also anything that you want to add for this case. And then once it's been added, you can head over and then just check on the next mark that you can see from there as well. So from here, you can swipe left to right if you want. So for example, you swipe to the left, you will be able to close this. But if you swipe to the right, you will mean that you approve them. So when that person is actually interested in you as well, you should be able to get a match from in there. And then once you have get a match from there, you can see this who like you as well, and also the chats you can do with specific people. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.